Hello बच्चों, welcome to Vooku Online Kids TV. Today we learn shape name. So let us start. Shape name, triangle. Shape name, triangle. Shape name, triangle. Next shape, circle. Shape name, circle. Shape name, circle. Next shape, square. Shape name, square. Shape name, square. Next shape, heart. Shape name, heart. Shape name, heart. Next shape, rectangle. Shape name, rectangle. Shape name, rectangle. Next shape, star. Star. Shape name, star. Next shape, hexagon. Shape name, hexagon. Shape name, hexagon. Shape name, hexagon. Shape name, hexagon. Color, brown color. Shape name, triangle. Shape name, triangle. Shape name, triangle. Color, pink color. Shape name, circle. Circle. Shape name, circle. Shape name, circle. Shape name, circle. Shape name, circle. Yellow color. Shape name, square. 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 Red color. Shape name, heart. Shape name, heart. Shape name, heart. Shape name, heart. Color, parrot color. Shape, rectangle. Rectangle. Shape name, rectangle. Shape name, rectangle. Shape name, rectangle. Orange color. Shape, star. Shape, star. Shape, star. Shape, star. Next shape, hexagon. Color, purple color. Shape name, hexagon. Shape name, hexagon, shape name hexagon. Let's revise. Shape name triangle, circle, square, heart, rectangle, star, hexagon. Again triangle, circle, square, heart, rectangle, star and hexagon. Again shape कौन सा है? Shape triangle, circle, square, heart, rectangle, star and hexagon. If you learn this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Bye kids.